Ori maandamano yabite kwa ngarama ya uturo yathiati ba Azimio yereri ntuku ya Jumatatu nende ntere icio cionekete kwithukanira ndene ya mbunge kumania na maandamano ya Kenya Kwanza ikira Azimio bareke nteto ciothe na bwa bunge ba Azimio batongeretwe n'umutongere wa baka ndene ya mbunge Opiyo Andae akiuga ati wethira baba wite ntuku ya Jumatatu tengwe ni bwa thiati bawe babatire kwithira baitia. Antoni Kathenya katumenyethia nkuluki.
As everyone is aware now, we are marching on Nairobi on the 20th of March 2023, which is next Monday.
Itigarite ntuku ithatu muthenya mwambire gukinya ile niyo ntuku ile banganite kwithirwa maandamano manene mangwatanire Azimio mpatho nene nithiite na mbere kuonekana gatigati ka bunge ba Azimio na balia bangwatanire ya Kenya Kwanza.
Na haya maandamano ni maandamano kwa sababu kwa muda mrefu tumeongea na tumesema, lakini ni kama tunazungumzia viziwi ambao hawasikii.
And if anybody thinks that Kenya is a banana republic, let them know now and today. And we are not waiting for the Sunday that Mheshimiwa Wagatondo said at on Sunday we wait. We want to start preparing our arsenals now.
We want to say finally that should Raila Amolo Odinga so much as catch a cold on Monday, the person to be held responsible is none other than Rigathi Gachagua and William Ruto.
Kulingana na bunge bangwatanire ya Kenya Kwanza batongerete ni mutongere wa baba ingi Kimani Ichung'wa maandamano mangwatanire Azimio matithiro mena kiguni no gikugi ya Kenya indini tagalile Raila Odinga kuiguna wenka otawithire.
Kenyans should know that every time Raila rallies people to his chaos, it's only Raila that benefits. In 1982, Ochuka was hanged. In 2007, he walked on a bridge of dead bodies to the coalition government. Shame. He was not the one who stood trial at the Hague. Yes. In 2018, even Miguna was deported after swearing him in. Yes. Even today, he wants to use the same tactic, walk on possibly dead bodies to benefit from the chaos he causes.
The only person who over the years has benefited from his insatiable thirst for bloodshed in this country is only one man, Raila Amolo Odinga. Not the people he purports to speak for, and not even his partners in the coalition.
Saa hii anataka kurudia yule mtindo tu, asukume William Ruto ndio apate nafasi ya kuingia kwa serikali. Either tingatinga imezo na jogoo, either kukue na handshake, lakini tunamwambia hiyo haitakuwa. Kwa hivyo hakuna haja ya kuandamana.
Abunge baba ni bele ithitie Raila Odinga ati thirikari ya Rais William Ruto ititikiria thina mbele kuna watho bule amenyeretie.
Past regimes might have made Mr. Odinga believe that he is above the constitution and above the laws of this republic. We want to say that the government now has a sacred duty and responsibility to show Mr. Odinga that he is a subject of the constitution and a subject of the laws of this republic like all other Kenyans. And we just end by reminding Mr. Odinga, you are not above the law. This country shall be governed by the under the constitution and with the rule of law, not the rule of men.
Kagita ka bunge bangwatanire Azimio batongerete ni mutongere Opiyo Andae ni bele ithite Rais William Ruto na munini wa Rigathi Gachagua ati ontubuthuku bukaya gwikarikira Raila Odinga kana bamwe batongoria kingwatanire ne Azimio ntukwene mwambilio Ruto na Gachagua nibo bakithrobe na biulia bia gucokia.
This language you hear of a final solution is not the first time we are hearing such a language. We want to make it absolutely clear that we as the Azimio coalition will hold Ruto and Rigathi Gachagua personally responsible if anything should happen to Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga or indeed any member or leader of the Azimio One Kenya coalition party. We want Mr. Gachagua to be taken to the DCI to record a statement, because we cannot be taken back to the era of J.M. Kariuki, of Robert Ouko and the others just because they are unable to deal with the political questions that have been laid on the table by the coalition.
Maandamano ambayo yako tarehe 20 yatakuwa maandamano ya amani, maandamano ya kutoa ujumbe, maandamano ya kupeleka vilio vyetu, maandamano ya mlalahoi na maskini kupeleka kilio chake na kilio chake kisikike.
Atongeria baba bangwatanire ni Azimio nipathiete na mbele kwinyiria ati mwambiri ikethirwe ntukia rodha rwa mwingi.
Since it has already been declared a public holiday, that employers of all shades and from all areas should release their employees and allow them to participate in their national duty. The call by Mr. Ruto that Honorable Odinga agrees with the police how to go about the demonstrations is uncalled for, is unnecessary. The police know their duty, which is to protect lives and property of Kenyans. It is not the work of Raila Odinga or anybody else in Azimio to help them do their work.
Hawa watu wameshindwa kazi. Ile tumesema kwamba serikali hii haijui kile inachokifanya. Kila siku tunaambiwa kwamba bei ya unga itashuka. Lakini ile siku ambayo ama tarehe ambayo bei hiyo itashuka imekuwa ni kama sasa kitu ambacho hakijulikani kiko wapi.
Bobo kithijaga na mbele abunge bangwatanire ya Kenya Kwanza ni bainyirite batiti kile into jakariba mujuja Nairobi jumba kwithirwo ikianangwa kile maandamano mama ntukwine mwambelio.
Any attempt to say that there is no sitting government is tantamount to a coup. And we want to say, we know some people have been involved in coups before. And if there is an attempt to have a coup on Monday, we are here as a government and as a people. The people whose lives are going to be disrupted here are not going to be sitting ducks. We are ready.
If there are any chaos in the country, it is the women and the children who suffer most. And we are calling upon the women of this country to go out in their numbers and if need be even naked to protect what they think is theirs.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Beta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathinya.